Alright guys, welcome back to the channel.
What's up, guys?
So today we're going to do something I've never done before. He claims he's done it, but I don't know. So what we're going to do is we're going to turbo my RS. And then he's going to go over the kit with you guys.
So this is a kit that I had for a while actually. It's a Greddy turbo manifold with a Greddy turbo kit. You could actually just check over here. It's Greddy turbo. It does have an internal wastegate, which sucks, but we're gonna make the best of it. Mishimoto intercooler piping, and we got this Moroso oil pan. Obviously, this stuff is all used. We're not looking to make crazy power right now. We just want to turbo it, see what we can make out of it, and then we do plan on upgrading the stuff later on. This is just a start to it.
All right, so we're gonna go disassemble. Well, first we're gonna take off the hood so it doesn't break again, and then we're gonna take off the header and start applying these things. We also gotta do an oil change since we're changing the oil pan. So we're gonna drain the oil and remove the oil filter because we have a sandwich plate that we're gonna install. All right, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so I was able to put the manifold on. I'm just tightening the studs. I'm gonna have to like paint them or something because they're looking kind of rusty. So yeah, we're gonna finish tightening these. There's just this one under here that I gotta get to. It's hard to get to actually. And then I'm tightening this down pipe because I guess I didn't tighten all the way. These studs are kind of, these bolts are kind of loose. Alright, so we're gonna, so next he's gonna drop the oil pan. We're gonna install the new oil pan, the new gasket, the OEM gasket we got from Acura. And we're gonna put it up and then put the oil drain into the oil pan, and then we're also gonna run the feed line over onto the sandwich plate. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, he already showed you guys. So we're gonna run it to there and then put the filter on, put oil in it, and then do all the intercooler piping, and take off the bumper and get to it. So let's finish what we're doing. Sorry for the wind noise.
What's up, guys? We're gonna take a trip real quick to the parts store. We gotta get a longer line, hopefully, or an adapter to make the line longer, and a couple bolts for the oil pan to finish that up, seal that up, and put that all back together. We'll be right back with you guys.
All right, guys. So we're back from the parts store. So we actually, I don't know, we got lost and it just took so long. It's been like hours since the last clip, but we got one thing. We drove around to like 4 or 5 different stores and finally got the thing we needed. It was this fitting. It's a -10 to -10 male fitting for our return line, because our return line is too short in the angle it is. And instead of, I mean, everything considered time wise, it would have been easier to just flip it, take the whole manifold off and flip the feed line fitting, but I just rather have more line than less. So we're gonna put Teflon on the fitting, put it onto the return line that's attached to the turbo, and take the plug that's on the I don't know if you guys can see right there, that plug that's on the oil pan, and hook up the return feed line, and then he's gonna do that while I start working on the intercooler piping and the vacuum lines. So we're gonna put the camera up and we'll get right to it. Hey guys, so we're done for today. Unfortunately, we couldn't do this in one day. I couldn't do my burnout I wanted to do so bad today. So we're gonna have to wait for another day for that. Unfortunately, after all the hours that we spent driving around trying to look for parts to try to get this done today, we still didn't get the parts that we needed. So we're gonna have to order parts online and wait for them to get here to finish this up. Yeah, that's it. He's gonna show you what we have, and then we'll go from there.
All right, guys, so we made some progress, though. I mean, I think the hard part is really done. This is just intercooler piping, which we're considering even replacing. We don't know. We'll address that once we get there. So we have the manifold on, turbo on, and downpipe, oil drain, and pickup. You already saw the intercooler piping done. We don't have well, first of all, we got to see how everything lines up once we get it all put together. We couldn't mount the intercooler today. We don't have the correct couplers, and that's pretty much where we're at right now. We also have to get vacuum hoses from here, one from here, but that's pretty much where we're at right now. Everything else is done. The oil pan is done. We put all the bolts in. We were able to get the bolts that were missing. I don't know what else we're missing. We've got that fitting that's right there. That's this fitting. So we were able to extend that line. I mean, it's not the prettiest. It's not a work of art, but it does do the job. So that's where we're at. We're gonna have him order some parts. Couplers, possibly like a 90-degree intercooler piping for right here. Don't really like this angle, to be honest. I think that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so we're gonna clean up. We got a mess going on everywhere. Put the car back together as best as possible right now, and we'll catch you guys in a few.
Alright guys, so we're all done now. You guys seen us put the cart together. The bumper's kind of like, I don't know, I don't really care, it's cold. I just want to be done already.
Can't feel our fingers at this point.
Yeah, it's been a whole day. We're like done with this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pick up another piping. I'm not really a big fan of this hackery, as I said in the last time. So we're just gonna upgrade the piping, hopefully keep that blow off valve, and yeah, that's it.
All right, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, comment. Catch you guys next time.